Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap new Port Richey East local and long distance movers near me. For efficient local relocation within the city, collaborating with 3 Movers will be in your interest. They have the expertise in handling local moves within the city and have coordinated this for several years now and also know the city's route. Hence, they can facilitate local relocation within the shortest time. They will handle the packing of your possession regardless of their size and ensure they are conveyed to your destination intact. Their prices are cost-effective and suitable for all people requiring a local moving service. You can get them to fully handle the local relocation or request a container to pack your possession. And if you want a trained driver to handle your truck, 3 Movers has the best on the list to hire. You will be made to pay per hour for the services. 3 Movers also handles long-distance moves. Their length of experience in this service delivery and the number of successful relocations they carry out should assure you of the excellent coordination of your move once you hire them. Also, their network of partners and the insurance policy covering every move should ensure a seamless move, whether you are relocating into the city from other counties or states or moving to other counties or states. Unlike local moves, a long-distance move is billed by estimate, which is a price quote given to you after due diligence has been done regarding the rudiments of your move. 3 Movers helps with property documentation and also provides a climate-controlled storage facility for your items just in case they get to your new location before you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our new Port Richey East moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.